Okay, so we have a diving board, and its dimensions are given to be 7x minus 2 and x minus 10. Okay, so this is a diving board. Alright, so the area of this diving board then is the product of those two, because those represent length and width. If you expand this, you get this times this times this. Okay, so that's the expanded version. B, if x represents 70. Okay, so what is the area then? Well, 7 times 70 minus 2. I'm just plugging it in here. 70 minus 10. 490 minus 2. 60. Okay, so it's that in centimeters squared.